Hello and welcome to another pop-up workshop brought to you by Popapology. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to fold a medieval castle design, and in order to begin you will need to download my free PDF template from the website www.popapology.co.uk, and after printing out your template and cutting out all the lines indicated, just follow the instructions in the description field on the site. You will be ready to begin the folding process. What we tend to do, as always, is to work from the sides of our design in towards the center. So all you really need to do is just to make sure that all your folds are incrementally shallow to begin with, and gradually completing the folding in stages without causing the paper to buckle. So in order to begin, what we will do is start from the top and just gently push out at first these two small buttresses at the back, just to that degree of fold. So it's still quite shallow, but already you can see the whole shape starting to emerge. And then we go progressively to the next level, and again just press down maybe with our thumbs just in this valley fold, whilst at the same time cajoling the paper forward from behind with our fingers. And also what we can do to aid this this section here in the fold is to pinch from the front, and that just accentuates this crease right there. And then we can just turn the piece around and repeat the process from the bottom of our design with these foreground buttresses here. Just press, as you can see, I can sometimes just move it almost like shaking the paper into the fold. That just helps it kind of move without too much pressure being placed on one point at any one given time. And then again on the other side, just press from behind with a finger whilst holding this plane down in this hand. And then the final center section, we just repeat the process again. You can literally at this stage just pop out this gatehouse cube shape, and it will just want to come forward towards its desired mounting fold, and the smaller section on top will also just want to come forward, but you can again just press it from behind with a finger. And then as you are at this stage of folding, and with all of our elements separately having reached this degree of fold, we are finally ready to collapse our piece, which is done very simply by holding the card from two sides in the palm of our hands and trying to distribute the weight of our pressure through the whole of that plane, both at the top and the bottom, and just squeezing the card together into a closed collapsed position. And all that remains then is for us to just move down the card to accentuate those creases, and then voila, we have our final design folded and as such in a kinetic openable foldable construct, ready to display or to give away, or just put away as part of our collection. You can, if you wish, embellish your card by just getting rid of this void by sticking down a transparency or a colored paper, and with that you will achieve a neater finish, such as this one, where, especially in the case of a transparency paper, you will find that you can get some really nice shadow effects with light passing through from behind your piece, which can look quite impressive and is very effective. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll hope to see you again soon in our next tutorial. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye.